Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook account with your Instagram. So first, jump straight to your Instagram app and tap on the profile on the bottom and go to edit profile. In this section, tap on add link. Now tap on Facebook profile. Okay, add your Facebook profile to your Instagram bio. But first, make sure that you have an admin access to your Facebook account. In my case, I have the admin access to my Facebook account, so I can add my profile link. So easy. That's how you can add your Facebook account to your Instagram. If you find this video really helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.